who is our first guest to take the stage and come up here and be subjected to the hot seat of our judges?
Our first guest, we're going to go in alphabetical order, so we're going to start with the A's, Alteryx, and representing Alteryx is their CEO and Chairman, Dean Stoecker. Dean, thank you for coming, and I'm going to give you the mic, and your 2 minutes begins right now.
Thanks. I'm very pleased to be here. I'm also proud of the fact that I'm one of the co-founders to help build Alteryx into a great analytics company, the leader in the strategic analytics space. Strategic analytics are all about uncovering the right workflows and the right databases and putting analytics into the hands of the right people. It's part of the bigger space of business intelligence and analytics. And in this space, we don't deliver an application. We actually deliver an Alteryx strategic analytics platform. This is a platform that is embodied in a desktop to cloud experience so that we can seamlessly connect producers of analytics to consumers of analytics in a public or private cloud settings. Our customers tell us, and they've been with us for many, many years, not necessarily a startup, they tell us that this is the easiest way to create and share analytic apps in the cloud. So we're on version 8 of Alteryx. We just announced the release of Alteryx 8.0, and we've empowered the producer of the analytics in a great way. We've actually given them far more cloud connectors to be able to connect to relevant databases like SharePoint and Salesforce and S3. We've given them new data sources in Hadoop integration and NoSQL environments. We've given them mainstream tools from predictive to spatial to ETL so that they can liberate analytics on the outbound. But we also have the ability to empower the consumer of analytics. So in this particular release of Alteryx 8.0, we actually have a public platform that allows the data artisan who's steeped in the line of business, separate from IT, we've given them the ability to create powerful analytic apps and to share them with a single click in the cloud. We've provided the desktop designer product with a service layer that allows them with a single click to publish analytic processes across very sophisticated ways.
We're sorry we're going to cut you off there, but good 2-minute pitch. We're going to turn it over to our judges. You heard about the data artisan. That's clearly a new job out there in the high-tech knowledge worker field these days. Boonsy, what'd you think of Dean's pitch?
I like to give him an 8. Wish I could have seen more of how it works, but I know that data is very important to how people do business now, and it seems like it's easy to build apps using your platform and share it. So.
Charlie, analytics is one of your areas of specialty. What did you think?
Well, I hate to agree with Boonsy, but I gave him an 8 too. I would say that we heard that you do the NoSQL approach as well as SQL, but I only saw MongoDB listed in your underlying technology interfaces, so I'd like to see a little more there.
Okay, Tom?
Just for the sake of being different, I'm going to say 7. I mean, there's no doubt that analytics is a very important area, and you know, I like the idea of a data artisan. I'm a little bit not convinced yet that it's sort of an artisanal kind of task, but certainly interested to see where you're taking us.
Okay, so the way we normally do this, or actually a new way that we're doing this, is we're giving our startups 30 seconds to respond to what the judges had to say. So, Dean, go ahead.
So there's not enough data scientists to save the world. So you either have to squirt out more data scientists from schools, or you have to actually move the technology closer to the line of business where mere mortals have the ability to empower powerful strategic applications and publish them in public and cloud settings. So thank you for your time and your scores.
All right, well, you gave us some time back. You didn't take up the whole 30 seconds. Thanks very much.